Komisi Benta kajing rakhi kesengi kan mau buram yaki long kemi setelak perthai International Women's Day haman ka pratarik ulber ha ka nyeuterik ulber ka Khelo India Center ki IC Ribhoi rengkat pakai Mai Bharat Ribhoi kala rakhi kerpang yaki ni kesengi dak ba pelong yaki lempung yali akai Asmita Lee ka Madan Marngar. Akani ke lempung yali akai la pelong yaki jinga kop mare athletics 100 meters 200 meters but 400 meters halai teli ki kerdan kata ki bahapok khatlai snem kerta ki bakhat lai snem hadu khat pras nem bat khat pras nem sheneng bala shimenta de samla kan thei bat kilong kami Kementerian tu ikini ke program ke long ru shibenta jong ka Asmita League ka bala penbet ke Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports jong ka Sarkar India bat Sarkar Jilla ban kentiu bat penchlur ki kenthei ban shimenta ke jinga kop sports babunjak jong ka negajuk akani ke lumpung yele akai la sakhi dak Dr. T Biam Ayush Medical Officer Marngar PHC ha ka jinga donlang Michael Timate Deputy Director My Bharat Ribhoi Kakong MG Walang Principal Sin Alfred High Secondary School Marngar ubak samla Sylvester Lingdo Khelo India coach lembak samla kenthei bakilong kemi kibelawan ban mi madan bat ban shimenta kinya kop akan kesengi ha bakut kicing ile akai kinong penyat kilasa mi ki busket bat kisernot syabaro kinong job
Meet International Women's Day. We promise that we shall take part in this celebration, respecting and abiding by the rule that government them in the true spirit of our teams. Thank you.
We have organized it in a different way. We are introducing the Asmita League. Asmita, which stands for Achieving Sports Milestone by Inspiring Women Through Action program, with athletics events across all categories for women, empowering them and then encouraging the participation of women in sports, and as well as taking the opportunity to identify talents as a talent hunt competition, so that the winners may, if their timings, if their noted timings are good, maybe their timings as well as their profile will be uploaded on the National Sports Repository website, whereby SAI, if interested or if their performances are good, they may be called for further trials to represent the district as well as the state in future any sporting events. Now, Asmita is part of Halo India's gender-neutral mission to promote sports among women through leagues and competition. As such, the Sports Authority of India and the My Bharat organization, both of which falls under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, we have come together to celebrate the National Women's Day through sports for women, whereby in this location we have conducted 100 meters, 200 meters, 400 meters across the age groups of under 13, under 18 and 18 plus categories, in partnership with My Bharat Riboy as well as Hilo India Center, Margar Riboy. Now, apart from this district, all across the country, events will be organized either tomorrow on the eve of the National Women's Day, or today on the eve of National Women's Day, or tomorrow International Women's Day, across the country in 250 locations, 3 of them in Meghalaya, 1 in Nongstoin, 1 in Williamnagar, and 1 in Riboy. The sport chosen here is athletics in Riboy, and football is the sport chosen for Williamnagar, and table tennis is the sport chosen for Nongstoin.
Women, right from girls, the athletes, and our women's, they may be Anganwadis, there are Ashas, VOs who are present here today. I wish you a very happy International Women's Day, which is supposed to be celebrated tomorrow, but it is preponed for today. And I cheers for your supreme power to all the women, for the power of giving life and nurturing life. I believe ngangit babaro ngiyat tip hitrai kandiat konsoich pangge International Women's Day ma tangba bonsen ngiklat katarik ngi kibam tre badan hayeng ma omega what ki khana school ro klet. So 8 March is being celebrated as International Women's Day across the globe. It is celebrated to honor, like what ma'am or sir have just said, to honor women and their contribution to the society. We all believe that women deserve a respect and honor. It is a day to recognize women's achievement. International Women's Day is a day to recognize the women's achievement in every field of life, from home to different departments: education, science, leadership, arts, sports, and many more. And it is really thoughtful. It is very thoughtful to celebrate this day with this sports event, by organizing this event by the Asmita Halo India, which they have already explained that by the previous speaker. It is this initiative of Asmita is for achieving sports milestone by inspiring women through action, through sports. As we all know that sports help us or build us body and mind, teaching teamwork and discipline. Teamwork, discipline, and hard work.
Asmi, but third position padi Regina Damilang Barot. Adik kapti jongi kadero ka talang joki.